We're looking at a black dresser with gold trim. It has 5 feet, one in the center that's adjustable to raise and lower in case the floor is a little bit uneven. We have 6 drawers and they open up nice and comfortable. They won't come out unless you take it out yourself by lifting up and bringing it out. Inside the drawers is all black. You have rails on the side, and on the bottom you can see it, and the added support in the center. This is put together by 4 dowels, screws over here that are put on, and these are nut and driver Phillips screws. To place back on, grab the dresser drawer, and what you're going to do is you're going to feel for the railings, and then you're going to allow it to go in. And that's how simple it is to take in and out the drawer. 2 bottom drawers, 2 middle drawers, 2 upper drawers. Each drawer is independent of its own. The top you could put a TV stand on, your tabletop box, etc., etc. Over here, these are tie wraps that you can screw to the wall with the other one and not make this move at all. If you want to put your cables through this, you may do so as well. As you take note, there are numbers on here. We built the cabinet, they come off. You have nice gold legs that they sit flush on the floor. The assembly instructions very simple, very easy to follow along. You have all the instructions very clear indeed. The tie wraps, the anchors to the walls, everything's included. If you have stuff hanging around and you want to place in the drawers, you may do so. They will hold a lot of weight and they hold a lot of clothing. This is pretty sturdy. It is a nice 6 dresser drawer. It holds a lot of stuff. You can put your clothing in, pick a drawer that you like and put your shirts and towels, whatnot. If you need to clean this, just a nice soft rag with soap and water will take care of cleaning. I hope this product is something you're looking for as a dresser for entertainment like we have here, for clothing, a hobby, put an aquarium, a terrarium, whatnot. If you need something just to store things away, this product may be right for you. If you don't have any skills, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, nothing else. This would take you roughly an hour and change to do the whole build non-stop. It'll take your time, you'll get it done in a couple of hours. Just be a little careful, go over the instructions and double check your work, and you'll be done in no time.